Welcome to our channel. Deleting your Peloton account is a permanent action that requires contacting customer service, as there's no self-service deletion option. Step 1. Before proceeding, understand that account deletion will permanently remove all your workout history, achievements, and subscription access. Step 2. Cancel your Peloton subscription first by going to your account settings and selecting Manage Membership to avoid future charges. Step 3. Download or screenshot any workout data, achievements, or statistics you want to keep, as they'll be permanently deleted. Step 4. Contact Peloton member support through their website, chat, phone, or email to request account deletion. Step 5. Provide your account information, including email address, membership number, and any verification details they request. Step 6. Clearly state that you want your account permanently deleted and all associated data removed from their systems. Step 7. Follow any additional verification steps or wait for confirmation that your deletion request has been processed. Step 8. Receive email confirmation from Peloton that your account has been deleted and verify you can no longer log in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.